Thank you for your interest in the Tenney School. We'd like to take this opportunity to let you know a little bit about how our school operates and let you see some videos showing our school in action. In terms of an overview, the school day is divided into 3 parts for our students. A third of our students' day is in one-to-one instruction. The one-to-one instruction is the feature that makes our school so different. This is the primary way our students learn English, science, history, and math. Because it is one-to-one, courses will be tailored to the student and his or her individual needs. While most of the courses will be designed to align with the state of Texas guidelines, we also have honors courses that go beyond the state requirements and 7 advanced placement courses or AP courses certified by the College Board. We also have English language learner coursework for our international students still working to improve their English. The second component of the student's day is classroom instruction. In addition to the 4 core classes, our students typically take 3 elective courses. These electives are taught in a classroom setting. We also teach portions of the core academics in a classroom format that we call labs. Each department selects the course content that is better taught in a group setting and meet with a group of students to cover this content. Labs and electives together make up another third of our students' day in the classroom instruction. Our students will spend the final third of our school day in the time we call homeroom. Our students will mostly use this time as a study hall, but it is also the place where they'll work on student organization, take attendance, manage lunch, and take school tests. Homeroom time allows students the opportunity to complete most of their homework here at school, leaving more time for hobbies and family activities in the afternoon and evening. We should also let you know that in addition to our in-person school, we also operate our online school called Tenney School Live, using the same staff, resources, and curriculum. If you come to tour our school in person, you will likely see some of our staff working with our online students. Also, we do make our staff available for one-to-one tutoring after school for both Tenney students and students attending other schools. You can read more information about this program at tenneytutors.com. We hope that you have found this video helpful in understanding how our program operates. If you would like to learn more, we recommend you schedule time to come and see our program in person. Click on the link below to schedule a private tour to come see whether our program might be a good fit for your student.